The Galaxy S25 Edge is sleek, stunning, and seriously thin. That's great for style, but not so great for protection. If you've just picked one up, you're probably already thinking about how to keep it safe without ruining the slim profile. We've got you covered. In this video, we're going over 7 of the best cases that strike the perfect balance between protection and keeping your S25 Edge looking sharp. Let's check them out. Kicking things off, we've got the UAG Series case. And this one really hits that sweet spot between rugged and sleek. Despite offering 15-foot military-grade drop protection, it's surprisingly slim and lightweight, which makes it a solid pick for the Galaxy S25 Edge. The translucent ash and pale blue options let the phone's design shine through, while the anti-slip grip keeps it from slipping out of your hand. What's also great here is the built-in magnetic module. It works seamlessly with MagSafe, Qi chargers, and other magnetic accessories, so you're not giving up convenience for protection. The raised edges around the screen, co-mold construction, and oversized buttons all add to the daily usability. If you want a case that's as tough as it is clean-looking and won't bulk up your S25 Edge, UAG's Dot series is a no-brainer to consider. Next up is Samsung's own kind suitcase for the Galaxy S25 Edge, and it's all about refined simplicity. It brings a premium feel that matches the phone itself, with a soft matte finish that feels great in the hand and doesn't attract fingerprints. What really makes this case stand out is the inner lining. It's gentle on your device and helps prevent those tiny scratches that can build up over time. It's not trying to be rugged, and that's okay. This one's more about style with just the right amount of everyday protection. Available in a few classy color options, the Kind suitcase feels like an extension of the phone, rather than an add-on. If you're after something elegant and minimal that still gets the job done, this is definitely one to consider. Now, if you're someone who wants to show off the Galaxy S25 Edge's design, then the Rinka Fusion is a solid pick. It's a classic clear case with a built-in magnetic ring that plays nice with MagSafe chargers and accessories. So yes, you can snap on your magnetic wallet or use a wireless charger without any hassle. The hybrid build combines a shock-absorbing TPU bumper with a tough polycarbonate back, giving you that slim and lightweight feel without skimping on impact protection. Another neat touch? It's got strap holes, so if you like using wrist straps or want to attach a charm, you're covered. Overall, the Rinka Fusion is for those who want a clean, functional case that keeps the phone looking sharp while still giving it some practical everyday defense. If you're looking for heavy-duty protection without turning your phone into a tank, the FNTt Case brings a solid combo of durability and thoughtful design. It's a 2-piece hybrid case. Soft TPU on the inside to absorb shocks, and a tough polycarbonate shell on the outside to handle impacts. The textured sides and hexagon grip on the back give it a nice, slip-resistant feel, which is great if you're prone to accidental drops. What really stands out here is the camera protection. Each lens is fully surrounded and you get raised bezels around both the screen and camera to keep scratches away. The buttons are tactile, the cutouts are spot on, and it even has a honeycomb pattern inside to help with heat dissipation. Plus, the bold color options give it a bit of personality. So if rugged and stylish is your thing, FNTt Case is definitely worth a look. Now here's one for the multitaskers. The WT case for Galaxy S25 Edge brings something a little different to the table. It features a built-in invisible stand made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. That means it's strong, lightweight, and super handy when you want to prop your phone up, whether you're watching videos in landscape or scrolling TikTok in portrait. You can adjust it anywhere from 40 degrees to 120 degrees, and it stays sturdy. On top of that, it supports MagSafe accessories thanks to its strong magnetic back, so snapping on a charger or a car mount is easy. The case itself is wrapped in premium PU leather with a grippy TPU frame, so it looks classy but still feels secure in the hand. You've also got raised edges for screen and camera protection. If you want style, function, and hands-free convenience in one package, FNTt Case really nails it. If you're the kind of person who wants to ditch the wallet entirely, the Vizera wallet case for the Galaxy S25 Edge might be exactly what you need. This case blends practicality with protection, offering space for up to 4 cards and some cash, all securely tucked behind RFID blocking tech. That means your cards stay safe from digital theft, tested and verified by a German quality control institute. It's slim enough to slip into your pocket without creating that bulky wallet bulge. The design also includes reinforced corners, raised screen and camera edges, and a surprisingly satisfying sliding camera cover that protects your lens from scratches, dust, and even nosy glances. And thanks to the ball-bearing sliders, the cover glides smoothly and stays put. It's got a solid grip, clean matte finish, and full shock protection, making it a smart pick for people who want both convenience and privacy in one. Rounding things off, we have the Odokin magnetic case, and this one's built for both function and durability. Right off the bat, you get a sturdy metal kickstand with high carbon steel hinges, which honestly feels a step above most stand cases. Whether you're binge watching, video calling, or just propping the phone up while you cook, it holds its position well and doesn't feel flimsy. Protection-wise, it's tough. Shock-absorbent TPU bumpers, a solid PC back, and raised edges around the screen and camera mean you're covered from all angles. It's also MagSafe compatible, which is still pretty rare in rugged cases. The magnets align perfectly for stable wireless charging and work great with accessories like car mounts and power banks. So, if you're someone who's outdoors a lot, or just wants that balance between ruggedness, hands-free viewing, and magnetic versatility, the Odokin case checks all the right boxes. So, those were our top 7 picks for the best Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge cases. Let us know in the comments which one you'd go for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.